Halo cuy, bertemu dengan saya lagi di channel Ferry024. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dalam keadaan baik-baik saja. Pada video kali ini saya akan merakit PC Kere Hore lagi, yaitu dengan budget 1 juta lebih dikit, menggunakan Intel generasi 8. Alasan saya menggunakan Intel generasi 8 yaitu karena channel ini belum pernah membuat video rakit PC menggunakan Intel generasi 8. Jadi di video ini saya ingin merakit menggunakan Intel generasi 8. Jika ngomongin masalah worth it, jelas masih banyak rakitan lain yang jauh lebih worth it dibandingkan ini. Oke, tanpa menunggu lama-lama lagi, langsung ke komponen apa saja yang akan digunakan. Komponen yang pertama yaitu motherboard. Untuk motherboard saya menggunakan gigabit dengan seri H310MH 2.0. Mobo ini memiliki soket prosesor LGA 1151 yang support Intel generasi 8 dan 9. Mobo ini memiliki 2 slot RAM DDR4 yang support hingga 32 GB. Untuk output displaynya, Mobo ini memiliki 2, yaitu HDMI dan DSAP. Saya membeli Mobo ini dengan harga Rp450.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu prosesor. Untuk prosesor saya menggunakan Intel Pentium G5400. Prosesor ini memiliki 2 core dan 4 thread dengan base frekuensi 3,70 GHz dan memiliki L3 cache sebesar 4 MB. Prosesor ini juga memiliki eGPU di dalamnya, yaitu Intel UHD 610. Untuk TDP-nya, prosesor ini memiliki TDP sebesar 58 Watt. Saya membeli prosesor ini dengan harga Rp150.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu CPU cooler. Untuk CPU cooler saya menggunakan HSF standar bawaan Intel. Saya membeli HSF ini dengan harga Rp25.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu RAM. Untuk RAM saya menggunakan RAM Patriot Viper 2x4GB DDR4 yang mempunyai kecepatan 2400 MHz. Saya membeli kedua RAM ini dengan harga Rp150.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu storage. Untuk storage saya menggunakan SSD SATA dari merek DST yang mempunyai kapasitas sebesar 128 GB. Saya membeli SSD ini dengan harga Rp155.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu power supply. Untuk PSU saya menggunakan PSU build up. Di sini saya mendapatkan PSU dari merek Aspel yang memiliki daya 400 Watt. Saya membeli PSU ini dengan harga Rp80.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu casing. Untuk casing saya menggunakan casing standar dari merek Magic yang saya dapatkan dari tempat rongsok dan kondisinya udah berkarat dan minta di repaint. Anggap saja harga casing ini seharga Rp50.000. Dan berikut adalah seluruh komponen beserta harganya. Untuk link referensi pembeliannya ada di deskripsi video ini.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Dan berikut adalah tampilan dari PC-nya. Untuk konsumsi dayanya, dalam kondisi idle, PC ini mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 20-an watt. Dan dalam kondisi full load mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 80-an watt. Gimana menurut kalian dengan rakitan PC kali ini? Apakah dengan harga dan spek seperti ini worth it? Silahkan tuliskan pendapat kalian di kolom komentar. Mungkin di next video saya akan mengupgrade CPU-nya ke i3 8100. Karena banyak banget yang komen minta rakitan dan tes i3 8100. Kira-kira apa ya keistimewaan dari prosesor i3 8100? Kenapa banyak banget yang request? Untuk opsi upgrade pada rakitan PC kali ini, yang pertama tentu saja power supply. Untuk pemakaian jangka panjang disarankan menggunakan PSU yang baru dan bagus sekalian. Untuk saran di rank harga di bawah 500.000 bisa ambil dari merek Segotep atau PC cooler. Selanjutnya yaitu storage. Untuk storage bisa tambahkan SSD atau HDD yang mempunyai kapasitas yang lebih besar. Karena untuk saat ini kapasitas 128GB sudah terlalu kecil. Selanjutnya bisa upgrade VGA card. Untuk VGA card menyesuaikan dengan budget dan kebutuhan. Mau dipakaikan GTX 1660 Super juga masih oke. Tinggal balik lagi ke penggunanya mau bagaimana. Selanjutnya bisa upgrade RAM ke minimal 16GB DDR4. Selanjutnya bisa upgrade prosesornya ke i5 Gen 9. Contohnya i5 9400F. Itulah beberapa saran upgrade pada rakitan PC kali ini. Selebihnya tinggal sesuaikan saja sama budget dan kebutuhan masing-masing. Mungkin cukup sekian dari saya. Mohon maaf jika ada salah kata ataupun penyampaian pada video ini. Selamat menikmati video pengetesannya. Thanks for watching and see you next video di konten Rakit PC Kere Hore selanjutnya.
Others need fun, some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better day. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in a better day.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away.
Monster kill.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I can't do anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that it's always okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the
Godlike.
I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why
Triple kill.
As you fade away, as you fade away.
Quadra kill.
Who's going to get there?
Never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the deal. You don't ever wanna give me up. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you can give everything evil for you. Got me coming back for more, even when I'm in school. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer